Imagine waking up, grabbing your morning coffee, and realizing your AI tools just made you money overnight. That's not a dream anymore. It's real. It's happening in 2025, and the people using these tools are building businesses on autopilot. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI tools that can actually make you money while you sleep. Stick around till the end, because tool number 7 is a total game changer that combines creativity and automation in a way you've never seen before. This is Make Money Monster, where we don't chase money, we let it chase us. Smash that subscribe button and let's unleash the monster. First up, ChatGPT. You've heard of it, but most people don't realize how much money it can make you. ChatGPT can write blog posts for clients on Fiverr or Upwork, create YouTube video scripts, just like this one, build ebooks and guides to sell on Gumroad, write marketing emails for small businesses. Pro tip: offer a gig like AI-powered blog posts that rank on Google. You can charge $25 to $100 per post. You do the prompting, ChatGPT does the writing, and the money flows while you sleep. That's the power of smart automation. Tool number 2, Midjourney, the visual powerhouse of AI. Midjourney lets you create stunning images, logos, and illustrations from a few simple words. Here's how to monetize it. Sell AI art prints on Etsy, design t-shirts or posters for Redbubble, or Printful offer book cover designs for self-published authors. People are literally turning AI-generated art into passive income streams. Pro tip: use trending topics like AI cyberpunk style or motivational quotes. Those designs get clicks fast. Next, OpusClip, the tool that turns long videos into viral shorts automatically. If you work with YouTubers, podcasters, or small business owners, this is gold. Here's the hustle. Take their long video, drop it into OpusClip. Let AI find the most engaging moments. Deliver professional shorts they can post to TikTok, Reels, or YouTube. You can charge $10 to $50 per clip. Pro tip: offer a content repurposing service on Fiverr. OpusClip does 80% of the work. You just polish and deliver. That's how you build a sleep-friendly income. Tool number 4, invideo.ai, one of my personal favorites. This beast turns scripts into full videos, voice, visuals, and all, in just minutes. How to make money with it: start a faceless YouTube channel, create marketing videos for small businesses, make social media reels for brands. Here's the kicker: most business owners don't have time to create videos. You can use invideo.ai to make 10x more content in less time. Pro tip: combine it with ChatGPT. ChatGPT writes your script, InVideo turns it into video, and you sell it for $100+. You're literally running a one-person video agency powered by AI. Tool number 5, Canva Magic Studio. This isn't your average Canva anymore. It's gone full AI. You can write blog headlines with Magic Write, design thumbnails and ads, instantly remove backgrounds, generate visuals, and even animate posts. How to profit? Offer social media management packages, design YouTube thumbnails for creators, sell digital templates on Etsy. One great thumbnail can help a creator get 100,000 views. That's value people will pay for. So yes, Canva Magic Studio can absolutely help you make magic money. Tool number 6, notion.ai. This one's a secret weapon for organization freaks and moneymakers. You can use notion.ai to build business dashboards, create content calendars, sell productivity templates. People are buying Notion templates on Gumroad and Etsy for $10 to $50 each, and you can make them in minutes using notion.ai. Pro tip: create bundles like Notion for YouTubers or Notion for freelancers and market them on Reddit or TikTok. Automate once, get paid forever. That's the Notion way. And finally, tool number 7, Durable.co, the AI website builder. Durable can create a full, ready-to-launch business website in under a minute. You just type what kind of business you want, and boom! It builds the entire site: design, copy, images, and contact form. Here's how to cash in. Offer AI website setup services for local businesses. Charge $100–500 per site. Durable does most of the heavy lifting. Businesses need online presence. You provide it with AI speed. That's smart money while you sleep. There you have it. 7 AI tools that can make you money while you sleep. Whether you use one or combine them all, the key is simple. Pick a tool. Learn it deeply. Use it to solve real problems. That's how you turn AI power into income power. If this video fired you up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment AI Monster below. So I know you're ready to dominate 2025. Don't forget the description area of this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, may the Lord always bless you.